Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Viswa, and in this video I am going to show you a product from IKEA, which is IKEA BOLLSIDAN. So IKEA BOLLSIDAN, as you see here, the name is BOLLSIDAN, and this is a laptop stand, and it is a height adjustable stand. Okay, and the maximum height that it can gain is 103 centimeter. Okay, we are going to unbox the product and we are going to see it, how it works, and what are the dimension and how the suspension basically works. About the colors, it comes only with one color, which is white. Price mentioned here is 9,786 rupees in MRP, which is around 110 or 120 dollars, but we got it for 6,990 rupees, which is approximately $90. And the best part of IKEA is that you can return the product of IKEA within 360 days. This is the top, tabletop. As you see here, we have the suspension, some screws. You get something like this, a stand. The design which is given here, they have given some instruction manual here on how to assemble this. We are going to follow the process and we are going to assemble it. Maximum weight which you can put here is 7 kg. Don't put more than that. You cannot sit on top of this. And this is the base. The base has a wheel as well, as you see here. You see a rubberized material on the side. Not rubber, maybe a plastic, hard plastic, because you will not accidentally hit on this. We have to remove this red color cap. Very much simple process here. This is the adjusting the suspension, which will be pressed by this one, and then you have to fit this one. They have given 4 different screws here. It is very much easy to fit. So we have got small ones, which is 153714, 4 pieces. We need to use it here. Okay, this is done. So fitting leg is also pretty simple. You have the holes here, and then you have to put it on the top like this, and then you need to use the big screws here. 4 big screws has to be fitted. Yeah, 4 screws, and this is very much simple process. Okay, I think everything is done. If you see here, the process was pretty simple. I have fitted 4 different screws here on the leg. This is the height adjustment you see. I have on the top also, I fitted 4 different screws here, and you see wheels over here. These are plastic wheels which can basically move around, and you have this plastic on the leg. Now I'm going to turn it upside down. So this is what we have now, and as you see, this is the suspension lever which you need to press. This is the minimum height. And guys, this is the maximum height that you see. Maximum height is 103 centimeter, and it is perfectly fine for standing and working. And if you see the space here, I can easily keep my laptop, my mouse, and move around. Even you can keep a water bottle or a coffee mug as well. And the suspension is here. And overall, this is a extremely good product if you are thinking about your well-being and wanted to step out of your chair and then stand and then work. You can also put it down and then sit and as well work. Okay, so both are possible here. So overall, it's a good product. If you want to buy, the purchase link is in the description section. And if you like the product, if you like this video, do hit the like button. If you have any questions, put it on the comment section, and then I will be happy to help you. Never forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, and thanks for watching.